Welcome, my name is Clemens Reiner and this is a small explanation about the TMap for Team Foundation Server Windows Phone 7 application. The TMap for TFS Windows Phone 7 application helps the tester in executing his tasks. So there are four main sections in the main screen. The first one is the TMap, which really explains the TMap life cycle and which activities you have to do there. In the Team Foundation Server settings menu item, you can set the settings to make the connection to your Team Foundation server, so you really can add TMap testing tasks to your team project. In the society and book sections, you can find some additional information about TMap. So let's jump first to the TMap menu item, and then you come immediately to the TMap Life Cycle, which is one of the most important pieces of the TMap management approach. We've got the planning, control, preparation, and specification. Actually, beneath every tile there is the same submenus. Aim, which explains why you should execute these tasks. Activities, which has an explanation about all the activities you need to do, actually you can do when you're executing these tasks. So for example, establish the assignment. You can zoom in and it explains a little bit more about what to do when executing these tasks. So going back, we have the operation, which explains a little bit why and how we should execute this one. Now we've got the product list, and in this product list every phase in the life cycle has some additional information behind here. For example, you can see over here a small video about the test strategy, and we will add more content to this list every time we update the application. And there's also in the toolbox you can see some additional links to checklists we have put on the internet. So let's jump back to the activities and make the settings so we can really upload these activities to Team Foundation Server. So let me click on the connection link. Now we are bringing it to the Team Foundation Server settings and configuration menu. First we have to configure our connection with our Team Foundation Server project. And this connection is done by the Team Foundation Server OData. So now it's making connection to our Team Foundation Server project, or actually to our Team Foundation Server, and it's going to grab all the team projects which are on that Team Foundation Server, so we can select the project we are going to add our TMap testing tasks to. So this is our one and only project we have at this moment available in our team project. Now we have to set which work item type we want to create. Now this depends on which team process template you used when you created the team project. For the Codeplex team projects, the work item type is default work item. For example, when you're using the Scrum process template, it will definitely be task, and the start state for the Scrum process template will be new. Now, and then we have to give in the iteration, and when you're using the Scrum process template, this will be, for example, which sprint you are working at this moment. And also the area path gives some detailed information for the work items to start working on. So now we have set our default settings, and now we can jump in back to our TMap Life Cycle, and we can start creating testing tasks for our team project. And as you can see, both buttons are enabled right now. I can do a multi-select and say upload. And now it grabs all these testing tasks and uploads them to our project, so we can start working on this one. So while this one uploads, I will open Visual Studio so we can really see, wrong button, so you can really see that it uploaded everything to our team project. So I'm going to connect now to our TMap project. Going to work items and show all work items. And over here you can see the work items we just created, analyzing the project, determining the test strategy, estimating the effort. You can do this for every phase in the TMap life cycle. You can make your own selection, you can select all and upload those, and you even can change the description which is behind such a work item. So for example, this is the determine the test based work item, and over here you can see some detailed information with even some links to the proper information. And this is how the TMap for TFS Windows Phone 7 application works together with your project. Hope you find it interesting, and you can download the TMap for TFS app at the Windows Phone Marketplace. Thanks for watching.